Starting an online business, you need a powerful platform. Shopify and Jimdo are two popular options. They help you build and manage your online store. Both offer tools and features for success. Shopify is known for its robustness. It caters to businesses of all sizes. Jimdo focuses on simplicity. It's great for smaller businesses and beginners. Choosing between them can be tough. We'll break down each platform. You'll learn about their strengths and weaknesses. By the end, you'll know which one is right for you. Let's dive in. Shopify is a giant in the e-commerce world. It powers millions of businesses globally. Its popularity comes from its extensive features. It offers everything you need to sell online. Shopify's App Store is a major plus. It provides access to thousands of apps. These apps add functionality to your store. You can find apps for marketing, analytics, and more. Shopify's pricing is tiered. It caters to different business needs. The basic plan is affordable for startups. Advanced plans offer more features for growing businesses. Shopify's success is evident in its numbers. Over $496 billion in sales have been processed through Shopify. This makes it a trusted choice for entrepreneurs worldwide. Jimdo offers a user-friendly approach to e-commerce. It's designed with beginners in mind. Its intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes website building easy. You don't need any coding knowledge to get started. Jimdo provides a range of modern templates. These templates are customizable to fit your brand. You can create a visually appealing online store quickly. Jimdo focuses on providing a streamlined experience. While not as feature-rich as Shopify, Jimdo offers the essentials. You can manage products, track inventory, and process orders. It's a great option for small businesses with simpler needs. Jimdo's pricing is competitive, with plans for different budgets. It also offers a free plan for basic websites. This makes it an attractive option for businesses just starting. Section 4, User Experience, a side-by-side comparison. Both Shopify and Jimdo prioritize user experience, but they cater to different levels of expertise. Shopify is more complex, offering greater customization. This can be overwhelming for beginners, but ideal for experienced users. Jimdo, on the other hand, excels in simplicity. Its interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, making it perfect for beginners who want a hassle-free experience. Customer support is crucial for any e-commerce platform. Shopify offers 24/7 support via phone, email, and live chat. Jimdo's support is more limited, with email as the primary channel. When choosing between Shopify and Jimdo, consider your comfort level. Are you comfortable with a steeper learning curve, or do you prefer a simpler, more guided approach? Section 5, the verdict: choosing your perfect platform. Shopify and Jimdo are both powerful e-commerce platforms. They each offer a unique set of features and benefits. Shopify is the go-to choice for businesses that need scalability and advanced features. Its vast app store and robust functionality make it suitable for growing businesses. Jimdo is perfect for entrepreneurs who value simplicity and ease of use. Its intuitive interface and affordable pricing make it an excellent option for startups and small businesses. Ultimately, the best platform depends on your specific needs and preferences. Consider your budget, technical skills, and long-term goals. Choose the platform that aligns best with your vision for your online business.